This institution has undergone very many issues, and one of them is related to the staff. I hereby direct the CEO, effective tomorrow morning, all staff working for Kemsa, over 200 working from home, report to work tomorrow 8 a.m. And thereby direct, Chair, that you ensure that your staff understand what is expected of them. It does not make sense to have paid over 200 people for 2 years, them sitting at home in the name of COVID. Yet we all go to our offices nowadays. So, Chair of the board, please ensure and tighten the human resource skills and expertise that you have within this institution. But let me also say that we have individual culprits who taint the image of this institution. I will not stop at anything. Even if it means sending home a whole department, I am ready to deal with it. This institution must be clean. We are going to uproot all the evil spirits that have been planted in this institution. Nitazingoa. So thank you very much for listening to me, and members of the staff of Kemsa, please know I am your ally. Should you see, should you smell something that looks like corruption, please come and let me know. Whoever it is. And I said I might not have any other muscle, but I will name and shame anyone who is brought to my attention. Investigation is done, and they are known to have caused problems in this institution.